Tanner, great weather up here at Dumas, and we're going to talk a little more about that. But right now, I'm really excited. And when I say that, Moore County, anytime that I get to brag on Dumas and Moore County, I say, let's get in there. We wanted to come and show you a little bit about this hospital district. And Kathy Fuston is the foundation director with the Moore County Hospital District. Jeff Turner is here, the longtime CEO. Kathy, I want to start with you. You have a killer group of people that get in and work hard, and many people have been on this foundation for a lot of years. It's Saturday, the flies are out. Saturday is what's called the harvest.
Yes,
and
that's our big...
Coup de Grace. Coup de Grace is coming to town, and they don't come to town hardly for a get-together. There's something special about this foundation, and you're the executive director. Tell us a little bit about what's happening and how that foundation is doing.
Well, we support the hospital and our community through various ways. We collaborate with organizations in the community, and we enjoy tremendous support. I'm personally most proud of our nursing scholarship and program that we expanded to include other healthcare disciplines. And we've given almost 400 semester scholarships, and we've trained we're homegrowing our own nurses. And we don't have a nursing shortage here in Moore County, and at this point we're home-growing nurses to serve our entire region. So
that is a big story, because we've at News Channel 10 we've done stories. How can we improve? How can we get nurses to stick around and grow them in the Panhandle? And I think Dumas and Moore County is a testament to some really great things.
Our program won the National Program of the Year from the National Association of Rural Hospitals. So this is a big deal. It's RNEC, and we partner with Amarillo College and Frank Phillips College in West Texas, and there are 5 hospitals involved in this, and we're all training. We have Amarillo College right here, about a block away from us.
That's so good. I mean, and Dumas has had one of the very first towns to have Amarillo College, and knowing your administrator, Jeff Turner, been here a very long time. Tell us the story. You and I were just visiting, but the foundation, I think whenever you came here 16 years ago, you're like, hey, we have a foundation, but it wasn't kind of up and going.
Right, so the Moore County Health Foundation was first established, I don't know how many years, 20 years ago or whatever, and was originally designed to build an ambulance barn for this awesome ambulance service that we have, the 23 State Agency of the Year for ambulance services. So we're proud of them, but that's why the foundation was formed. Well, when I got here 16 years ago, the foundation basically had become inactive. I think there was $5,000 in this little account somewhere. And I said, wait, we have a foundation, and I had formerly worked at a hospital that had a very active foundation, and that I said, we have got to do something with that. That is such an important part of healthcare today, is to have a strong foundation. And so the community supported us, and we have had events and fundraising. We've had a capital campaign that's resulted in this beautiful hospital, and industry has supported us, and we've just been so successful thanks to the generosity of those in our community. And it's just a great story for us now that we can, the foundation really is a strategic part of our existence.
Well, back to tomorrow. That's
yes.
The harvest celebration. It's at an event center here. You have sponsors come in. Y'all are going to have some great food. You know, we joke around. We're all, if you're in the Panhandle, you're a fan of Coup de Grace. What I love is they said, we love the story of the Moore County Hospital Foundation.
Yes, we've tried to get them for 8 years since I've been here. I'm in my 11th year, and it was very difficult. They don't play very much anymore. And so I got to someone and told them our very compelling story, and they said, he might want to talk to you. And he called 10 minutes later, and we booked him right there, so I celebrated. But we're excited to have Coup de Grace entertain us. I think everyone in our community is excited about this, them coming to see
That's
you.
big. Listen, that's big. I love how they'll come right in. The money raised is going to some big things, and I
Yes.
really want you to tell the folks because surgery, radiology, breast cancer. Tell me a little bit about. There's some big things.
There
with
are
this.
some big things, and we're proud that last year we were able to raise $385,000 to purchase new 3D mammography equipment. And so this year is phase 2, and we're working to raise money to buy breast cancer surgical equipment. We have a rock star breast cancer surgeon here on our staff, and we're excited to be able to expand the program and include this because our area really needs this service.
Listen, Dumas, like you said, doesn't have a nursing shortage. Your hospital district has over 16, 17 doctors and people that work in your hospital district, Jeff. You've got some that have been here 30,
40
maybe
years.
40 years. I mean, that says a lot. I hope you know that.
Yeah, it does. We work really hard on building our culture and building a value statement for our employees as well as our patients. And for that reason, last year we had the lowest turnover rate ever at under 12% for our hospital district. And employees, we love them, they love us, and we try to show that every day in our decisions and how we treat them. And I just think it's a great place to work, and apparently our employees agree. So that's great.
We feel ownership of the hospital and the care that we give. Our employees feel that ownership, and they're empowered to do what they need to do to give the best care. So
We all stick around. Can we come back? Can we talk a little bit about this hospital? I mean, if you are a longtime Dumas area person, you know this is pretty awesome to have a hospital district. Jeff, can we talk a little bit more? Can we come back?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alrighty. Kathy, thanks so much. And so glad you're here 11 years, executive director of this foundation. That is not usual, my friend, so that says a lot.
well, thank you so much for being here and letting us tell our story.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, stick around. We're going to talk more, and I want to know what the temperature is in Dumas. Tanner, we're going to talk about that coming up, so stick around.